Continuing with our topic, percents, we're going to get into percentage problems. And we're probably going to cover this in either 3 or 4 short videos. And so here we are, we're in part 1 of percentage problems. And our objective in this video is simply to identify the portion, often also called the part, the base, also called the whole, and the rate, also called the percent, in percent problems. So percent problems, when you're working with them, they involve these 3 things, and you're trying to solve for one of them. So here we are. Percent problems involve 3 quantities or numbers. And again, as I was just saying, we're talking about the portion, the part, the base, the whole, and the rate, the percent. So let's just kind of define those. Let me get my sheet up here for you. So we know what we're talking about. The rate is the percent. Okay, so when it says 20%, well, 20% is the rate. If it says 10%, that's the rate. If it says what percent, in that case, the rate is an unknown. The base is the total amount or the entire amount that we're talking about. Also called, it's the whole, for those who have seen this as a part whole. The base, the number or the unknown, if you don't know it, that represents the base often follows the preposition of. So 20% of 4 is the base. Okay, finally the portion. The portion is the part or the partial amount we're talking about. Okay, if the base is the entire amount, the portion is the partial amount. It is a part of the base or a part of the whole. The portion often follows and sometimes precedes a form of the verb is. Okay, so let's take a look at a few examples and let's just identify these 3 quantities. Okay, so identify the 3 elements for each example. Example 1, 20% of 75 is what number? Well, we can look quickly and we see that 20 is our percent, so our rate is 20%. Our rate is our percent. Okay, the number 75, well, in this case it follows the word of, so we know that the base often follows the preposition of, so our 75 turns out to be our base. So our base is the number 75. Our portion is a part of the base, often follows the verb is, or a form of the verb is what? So we don't know. So our portion in this case is an unknown in this example. We don't know the portion, and the question is asking us to